Welcome! In front of me I have Realme X2 Pro and AirPods Pro, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect this to device. So at the first we have to open notification bar, click and hold the Bluetooth icon. When we are in the Bluetooth settings, we have to grab our AirPods, we have to open charging case, then put it like that, and click and hold this this pairing mode button, right? So when this indicator starts blinking on a white color, it means that they are in the pairing mode. So click and hold, keep holding, and right now we can release. Next we have to tap on the switcher to turn on Bluetooth on our Realme. And as you can see, our AirPods are on the available device list, so we can simply tap on it to connect. And as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. So that's how we can connect AirPods Pro to your Realme X2 Pro. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. So yeah,